Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW X5 spark plugs. First, gather your essential tools, including a spark plug socket, a torque wrench, and some dielectric grease. Safety is paramount, so ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin. Always disconnect the battery's negative terminal to prevent any electrical issues. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, saving you time and potential headaches down the road. Let's get started with the first steps. Next, we'll access the spark plugs. Begin by carefully removing the engine cover, which usually involves a few clips or bolts. You might also need to detach some air intake components to gain clear access. Once exposed, disconnect each ignition coil by pressing its release tab and gently pulling it upwards. With the coils out, use your spark plug socket to loosen and remove the old spark plugs one by one. Take your time to avoid damaging the threads. Now it's time to install the new spark plugs. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new plug. This helps with future removal. Carefully hand-tighten each new spark plug into its cylinder to prevent any cross-threading. This is a crucial step. Finally, use your torque wrench to tighten each spark plug to the manufacturer's specified setting, which is typically around 23 Newton meters. Proper torque ensures a secure seal and optimal engine performance. For our final steps, let's reassemble everything. Firmly reconnect each ignition coil until you hear a distinct click, ensuring a proper electrical connection. Then, reinstall the engine cover and any air intake components you removed earlier, making sure all fasteners are secure. Finally, reconnect the battery's negative terminal. Once everything is back in place, start your engine to confirm proper operation and enjoy the improved performance of your BMW X5. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.